Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we're working on that Mercedes E-Class W211 from 2003 to 2009 model, guys. I think even summer 2002. And we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the passenger side door. Okay, this one here for the window. If your window doesn't work, okay, first thing right is to check the fuse, because that's the most inexpensive thing. Okay, so unfortunately, let me show you now what the deal is with that stuff. There is a fuse, but that fuse controls the whole door. It's not just for the window itself. It's for the mirror, okay, and it's for that switch, for the window, for the seat as well. It controls everything here, because there is a module, a computer here on the door that controls that, and there is one fuse that is actually responsible for that module and for controlling everything that's associated with this door. Let me show you which fuse is that one. And that's the cheapest thing, guys. Always check the fuses first before you start doing something else. If not, it's a window switch. We have the video how to remove and replace window switch on our channel as well. So we'll need to remove that cover here. That's where the fuses are located. Okay, and we'll be looking for a fuse, okay, 22. Okay, this one is 22 right here. You can see the numbers. So it should be a 30 amp fuse. Okay, so let's pull it out and see. Okay, just a demonstration video to see what to do, guys. Okay, the fuse is good. You can see it's not blown. If it's blown, this middle thing will be broken, will be burned. You can actually even test them, because sometimes are hard to tell, to be honest with you. Depends on where they blow exactly. And all we have to do, just get a new fuse, put it in place. So that's the fuse, guys, for the power window on the passenger side, for the whole door actually, not just for the window itself. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.